Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Epic Games account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Password and Security. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. Choose your preferred method of 2FA either via an authentication app or email and follow the prompts to enable it. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up 2FA, make sure to confirm any changes and save your settings. You may receive a verification code to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Epic Games account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and accessible.